Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unhide like counts on Instagram feeds easy and quick. If you want to unhide it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just open Instagram feeds. Now once you're here, just click on your account here, and after that just select any feed you want and click these 3 points and then click unhide like count, and that's it. As you see, like count now is unhidden and you can hide it whenever you want again, and that's it. Just click on it and click hide like count, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.